Hi, it's Greg, and today let's see how to automate your blog promotion in HubSpot. I'm sure you spend a lot of time creating and optimizing blog posts to get some visibility on your website, but especially at the beginning, you think that this content don't get the visibility it deserves. One of the ways to solve this issue is to promote your blog to get more visibility at the beginning. And HubSpot gives you two features to automate this blog promotion. The first one is by using social media, and the other one is to automate newsletter emails. So the first way to automate your blog promotion in HubSpot is by using social media. HubSpot gives you the possibility to connect all your different social media accounts within your portal. It could be from Meta, so Facebook and Instagram, from LinkedIn or from Twitter, and you can connect your personal account or your company account as well. By connecting those accounts, you will be able to check the analytics of every single post and especially to publish or even schedule posts through time. And that's this last option that we will use to promote automatically our blog post. So the first thing we need to do is to connect all our different accounts. To do so, just go to Marketing, Social, and click on the little setting button. Then simply click on Connect an Account, choose a desired network, and accept the authorization pop-up that appears at the bottom left of your screen. Now that your accounts are properly connected, we have two ways of automating our blog promotion. The first one is the auto-publish, and the second one is the single-click publish. So for the auto-publishing method, on your account settings, you have a column called Blog Auto-Publish. By clicking the Choose Blog button, you will be able to connect one of your blogs to select account. By choosing this option, when a new article is published on your blog, the selected account will relay this information. Be careful, because it's a fully automated publish, you don't have any control on the details of the post. By default, HubSpot will always publish the title of your article, its URL, and the featured image you choose. The problem with this method is you don't have any control on the text and image, so you will create really standard and non-engaging content for your audience. So basically, even if you automate the promotion, you will not get any result for your business. The second method is a promote in one-click method. Basically, you just need to go to your blog post page on your portal and choose the promote button and create a social post. It will require a bit more effort than just clicking on the auto-publish button, but you will get the full flexibility and control over your publications. You just need to select the desired network and you will arrive to this window. This window is really important because you will have 5 ways of modifying your post. The first one is posting from, so you can choose the accounts you want it to be posted on, so your personal account or your company account. The second one is to choose when it will be published. So you can choose it to posting now, but you can also schedule your post for, let's say, 5 minutes after your blog gets posted and published on your website. The third one is basically the main text editor for your post. You can choose the text you want, you can add questions to engage with your community, you can just put a bit.ly link to make this post more readable for your audience. The fourth is to let you choose different pictures or videos to promote this blog post that might be better to use for social media than the image feature you have on your blog post. And the last one is really useful because it allows you to create other posts for other networks or other accounts within the same window. So basically you can save a lot of time by editing and scheduling all your posts within one window. I really like this option because it allows you to have full flexibility and control over your post, and it doesn't take that much more time than needed. The second step is to promote your blog content through a newsletter. When creating a new mail in HubSpot, you will have a choice between regular, automated email, or email blog RSS. Is the last one we will take care of today because it allows you to create an automated email sent through a defined frequency and to automatically promote the last blog post you have on your website. And the first step to do in choosing this kind of mail is to configure the newsletter sendings. So when you create a blog RSS email, you don't really care about the template because it will be automatically replaced by the RSS feed HubSpot provides us. So the only thing you need to do is to choose the blog concern and your sending frequency. For the frequency of sending, base your decision on your frequency of publication and the type of relationship you have with your audience. Too frequent emails offering only one article can quickly look like a spam, but on the other hand, if you publish one article per day, one monthly sending can create emails that are unreadable and overloaded with information. Now that we took care of the sending information, let's see how to create a nice template for this email. Because by default, your blog RSS email will look like a list of all your articles without any frills. It's recommended to modify your template to provide a small introduction and personalizations. To do this, you just need to drag and drop the module of your choice to the desired location. You can also conclude your email by offering, for instance, a link to your lead magnets or anything else you want. Now that the packaging of your email blog RSS is done, you can change the look and feel of your RSS feed by clicking on the module and browsing through your editor's left sidebar settings. To add or remove elements relating to your publication, modify the display area. To add items, click Insert RSS token and you will be done. All you need to do now is to play around with all these display possibilities, to choose the subject of your mail and to define the time and date of your email recurring sending. That was the two ways of automating the promotion of your blog post on HubSpot. Of course, at the beginning, it would be useful to add to this method some manual way of promoting your content by using the following methods. Publication in social network group concerned with your theme, publication on specialized sites, the management and exchange of links with sites of your theme, publication of relevant forums, the subreddit of your theme for instance, and the promotion of your publication via overused channel like YouTube for instance. I hope it was clear enough. If it was the case, don't forget to put a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel. And if you want to deepen your understanding of your HubSpot portal, you can find in the description below a link to my private web page named the Workflow Box. In this page, you will find all the different workflows I presented in my channels, and for each workflow you will find a short introduction, a detailed blog post that gives you much more context about this workflow, a tutorial video like the one you're looking right now, and an action plan in a to-do list form that will help you following step by step all the things to do to import this workflow to your portal. It was Greg, I wish you a great week and see you next Monday.